Heading out to 4, possibly 5 showings. We have one more request yet to be accepted, but we're going out doing some showings out in the Hanover, York County area. Today we have 2 possible listings in the pipeline, so extremely excited about that. Nothing set in stone, but I fully expect both to go through. So we're moving, we're doing good out here, and I just got to thinking about, how, if I was selling my home, what would I think about to improve the value of my home? And I would take, first, you probably got to look at bathrooms and adding an additional bathroom, especially if you have kind of an odd number, like a 4-bed, 1-bath. An additional bathroom can make a huge impact. But even if you have a great number, 3-bed, 2-bath, for example, just improving and upgrading one of those bathrooms will get you the most bang for your buck. A lot of people think kitchens. Now, doing a kitchen renovation will increase the value, but you're gonna spend a lot more money for that increase in value. So sometimes your money is spent better in different places. Sometimes you can just do a kitchen facelift. Now, if you're doing it on your own, a lot of the work on your own and by yourself, then you can get a lot more bang for your buck. Bathrooms first. Curb appeal is huge. It's a smile of the home. Garage doors, but especially your flower beds, your bushes. How does your yard look? Is everything well kept? Have you mulched it? Some very inexpensive things if you're willing to do some of that work yourself. And finally, if there's any unfinished square footage in the home that when completed could be counted as completed square footage, especially above ground, meaning not in a basement, but if your basement has a walkout and egress, then you can count that as square footage. So any square footage that you can add or finish will significantly increase the value of your home. For more tips, more ideas on how you can add value to your home, I have a lot of people send a picture right to my message, the messaging on here, and we'll take a look and we'll try to increase some of the value in your home. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope that's helpful, and we'll talk to you soon.